Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Robinhood stock. First, you will need to understand the basics of the Robinhood platform. Robinhood is a popular brokerage that allows you to trade stocks, exchange-traded funds, and even cryptocurrencies with zero commission fees. This makes it an attractive option for new investors or those looking to keep costs low. We will cover everything from setting up your account to placing your first trade, ensuring you feel confident in your investment journey. To begin your investment journey, the first step is to set up your Robinhood account. You can easily do this by downloading the Robinhood app on your smartphone or by visiting their official website. You will need to provide some basic personal information, including your full name, residential address, and your social security number for verification purposes. Finally, link your bank account to facilitate seamless deposits and withdrawals, typically taking just a few minutes. Once your account is set up, the next step is to fund it. You can transfer money directly from your linked bank account, with instant deposits available for amounts up to $1,000 for standard accounts. After funding, navigate to the search bar and type HOOD to locate Robinhood Markets, Incorporated stock. You can then choose your order type, such as a market order for immediate execution or a limit order to buy at a specific price. After placing your order, it is important to monitor your investment. Your portfolio will show the performance of your Robinhood stock, including its current value and any gains or losses. You can set up price alerts within the app to receive notifications about significant price movements, helping you stay informed without constant checking. Remember, diversifying your investments across various assets can help manage risk over the long term.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.